Alright folks, this is Caltrain 503, the Bullet, baby Bullet, going to San Francisco. Here it comes.
It's a limited.
It's a limited, thank you David.
Yep.
And it's a limited train going all the way down there.
San Mateo elevators are out of service.
Oh, steel bell on that train.
It's a steel bell on this one.
Northbound San Bruno elevator is out of
It's
service.
118 lead it off. Caltrain 118. Cat car is 118 lead it off. F40PH, I think that is San Jose. I'm just guessing. F40. San Mateo 902. Alright folks, here comes Amtrak train number 11. Go Starlight. Yo, southbound train to Los Angeles going by the Santa Clara University station. ALC 42319 leading off and ALC 42303. Here it comes. Alright, give me a horn show. Give me a horn show. I guess not. At 305. Alright, have a safe trip, everybody. Have a safe trip. Alright, folks, they got that train going to Los Angeles. And there it goes. Southbound to Los Angeles, making a stop at San Jose Diridon Station. I am Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Alright folks, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 529. Making the final stop. Next stop, San Jose Diridon Station. 2001 F59 PHI leading this one off. 2001 alongside with David Jones Stalker, 8305, Mount Tampa Pioneers. Alright, there go that train. Making a stop here and headed to San Jose Diridon. We'll be returning back at 5:42 in the evening. Bye. Alright folks, Caltrain 505 now arriving at the Santa Clara station. It's a gallery set. Cat car, lead it off. Cat car is 4023. And we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. Alright folks, we are back. This is 505. Headed to San Francisco, the limited train. 4023. Hooked up with 905, Antoine's favorite F40PH Sunnyvale. Sound like they got the AC blasting up high. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. More video. Bye-bye. Alright folks, this is Caltrain 115, the local train to San Francisco. Cat car leading this one off. Alongside with David Jones. Yeah, you say hi to me. Cat car is 4025. 4025 lead it off. 4025 leads off. Yeah, that's a YouTuber on the cat car set recording. That's a YouTuber. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright folks, this is Caltrain 115. We got a YouTuber in the cat car filming right now. I don't know what his channel is, but we'll find out once he posts it on YouTube. 4025 leads off. 4025 leads off. And a cat car right there, which is 4018. that train to Sacramento and that not Sacramento, to San Francisco. And that YouTuber on that train, hope you have a safe trip to San Francisco. I hope I find this channel. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye. All right, folks, this is Amtrak Capital Corridor Train 532. This train is headed to Sacramento, arriving at Santa Clara University Station. Here comes my stalker that I rode on, live stream all the time. It's 8310 Mount Hamilton. Get your butt off the Capital Corridor, Mount Hamilton. Went alongside with 2108. The same guy that drives the train again. Alright folks, we'll be right back after these commercial break of my stalker, 8310 Mount Hamilton and 2108.
532 Sacramento MCD in the upper level, lower level reserved for passengers who have disability and those unable to negotiate stairwell.
Alright, we are back. 8310 Mount Hamilton, my freaking stalker, is leading on this 532 train to Sacramento, alongside with David's favorite seaman charger, 2108. Have a good one on this beautiful Friday morning. Alongside with David Jones right there walking in front of me. And that's it. Where are you going to get off the Capital Corridor line and start stalking me, 8310? Thank you. Alright, it's finally gone. Bye-bye, folks. Here comes Caltrains 506 approaching at Santa Clara Station on the northbound platform. Oh, it's 908. 908 leading off. Give it up. Get it up for Redwood City. Redwood City leading off. And David Jones will get on this train to go back to San Jose. That car is 115 again. It's a 5-car set. It's a 5-car set leading. Alright, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. Alright folks, this is 506. Headed to, I believe, San Jose. 908 Redwood City leading off, and 115 is the cat car of this Barbaria set. It's a 5-car set. Alright folks, look at that train. That train is off to San Jose. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. This guy on the bicycle just missed his Caltrain ride. Alright, David Jones is on that train. He is going back to San Jose. Alright. Till next time. Bye-bye.